Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to change your Wi-Fi passwords. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on App Store and the search bar, search for router setup page and download this application. You can also download it in Play Store for the people who use Android. Well, after downloading the application, tap open, and as you can see here, this is the IP address for our router. Now copy the IP address and come back and go to your browser. Then tap here, remove and paste the IP address. Perfect. Now it will ask you to enter the username and the password. You can find this information on the back of your router. So take your router, for example, I have this, and in the back of your router you will find the username and the password. So as you can see here, we have here username admin and password admin. Perfect. Now come back to your iPhone and the username write admin and the password write admin. Then tap login, and this is the page of our router. Some router pages might look different, but the important thing is to find the Wi-Fi section to change the password. So next step, we will find the section of wireless. Okay, so we have here the menu. First, tap interface setup and search wireless, and as you can see here, we have here the wireless. Tap on it, scroll down, and this is the password of our Wi-Fi. So tap on it and change it. For example, test 1 2 3 4 5 6. Well, this is the new password. So, and zoom out and tap done and tap save. And now you will see the Wi-Fi will restart automatically. That means the password has been changed. Now come back to your Wi-Fi, press and hold it, and tap Wi-Fi settings. Tap this one and tap forget this network. Tap forget and tap on it and write the new password. Then tap join. Perfect. As you can see, we connected successfully. So that's how you can change the passwords of your Wi-Fi. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.